Hi, I just want to talk to you this morning about smart strips. Now, a lot of folks do have surge protectors or power strips, but a smart strip is just a little bit more. What we talk about many times is phantom electricity, and that is for those things that are plugged in and they're drawing electricity. Even though they say they're turned off, they're still drawing. And many times we are losing energy needlessly in that mode. So let me demonstrate to you how a smart strip works. Now, a smart strip has an area that's called a control outlet. So let me use a reference. Let's say this is our TV system. So we're going to plug our TV into the control button, which is here. And what happens is I've got that plugged in, so I'm going to pretend that this light is equivalent to my TV. Now, what happens in the uncontrolled red area is where you want to put in any objects that you don't want to program a second time. You don't want to turn them off. So this is where things like your satellite system or your cable box that you don't want to ever program would be plugged into, so that stays on all the time. Then the end of the smart strips are for extra outlets in your peripheral items, such as your tuner or your DVD player and those kind of things. So I'm coming home at night and I'm turning on my television set in my control outlet. So my TV is on, so immediately I have access to everything else that's available. So you can see that all three items are lit here, okay? So my TV is on. If I've turned it on, it's got electricity coming to them. My cable box obviously is on, and then any peripherals are on, which I have these lights hooked into there now. Now, it's bedtime and I want to go to bed and I need to turn off all those peripherals, but instead of crawling down underneath the TV and turning off a power switch or physically turning off all those items or leaving them on all night, what I do is I turn off my control switch, okay? So my TV goes off, my peripherals go off, but my control box is still on. My cable box or my satellite system is still on. So this is what they call a smart strip, and they vary in price, but I think I paid around $20-some for this one a few years ago. But it can save you energy over the use of it. So we highly suggest that if you have those kind of systems or things that you want to be able to plug in and turn off with a control strip, that you try a smart strip.